Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you how to move your logo around on Squarespace so you can get your sites look just right, even if you're not a designer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to reposition your logo, put it in the center, the left, or wherever fits your brand's vibe best. So let's dive right in and get your site looking sharp. First things first. Head over to Squarespace and log into your account. This is your website's control center, where all the magic happens. Once you're in, locate your website and open it up. If you're brand new to Squarespace, don't worry. Everything's laid out pretty simply, and you can always come back or pause the video if you need to get your bearings. Next up, look for the Edit button. This is usually found in the top corner when viewing your site. Clicking Edit is like popping open the hood of your website. You're entering the workspace where you can tweak and change how things look. Take your time here. Nothing you do will be permanent until you save, so feel free to explore. Now, let's focus on your header, which is often where your logo lives and serves as your site's visual handshake. You'll need to click Edit Header within the editor area. This section is crucial because the layout and position of your logo can instantly change visitors' perceptions of your brand. Think of the header as the welcome mat to your digital storefront. Within the header editor, you'll see an option called Edit Design. Go ahead and click on that. This brings up the nitty-gritty details about how your header looks, the colors, spacing, fonts, and most importantly for today, the logo layout. Don't rush here. Take a moment to look at the different style choices. Often design tweaks are subtle, but can make a big difference. Look for the Layout section. This is where you can control exactly how your logo sits within the header. Clicking Layout will reveal several different ways your header can be arranged. Here's where the fun comes in. You'll see layouts for logos on the left, centered, and sometimes even on the right, depending on your Squarespace template. Scroll through these options and imagine how each layout might change your site's mood. For example, a center logo is great for a modern or elegant feel, while a left-aligned logo often feels more traditional or businesslike. Once you've spotted a layout that positions the logo where you want, like right in the center, go ahead and select it. Don't be afraid to experiment. Squarespace makes it easy to preview, so you can swap around as much as you need before settling. As you choose, consider your brand identity and your visitors' first impressions. Remember, the header is the most viewed part of your site, so this decision does matter. After you've made your pick, just click Save or Done. And that's it. Your logo has a new home on your site, and you've taken another step toward making your website reflective of your vision. If you're not seeing the change immediately, try refreshing the page or double-checking the selected layout. So, to recap, you've just moved your Squarespace logo with just a few thoughtful clicks. No coding required. If any part felt a bit tricky, don't worry. Web design can take a few tries to get comfortable. And if you have questions about layouts, branding, or other Squarespace features, feel free to ask. If this video helped make your site look a little better, please hit that like button. It lets me know I'm making the right tutorials for you. Drop any questions below in the comments. I'm always happy to help out. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy expert tips to make your website work for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.